That triple camera setup on your flagship, it's a computational band-aid. Let's autopsy why one large sensor is superior to 3 tiny ones. Physics doesn't care about your marketing deck. Light is just photons. Tiny sensors starve. They catch maybe a fraction of what hits the glass. So the phone's neural engine kicks in and starts guessing what the missing pixels should look like. That's computational photography. It's not magic. It's aggressive averaging. The algorithm smears high-frequency noise into a smooth, plastic-looking canvas. Daylight looks fine. Shadows look like oil paintings. You solve the noise problem, you create a latency bottleneck. Every millisecond the processor chases shadows, your shutter drags, motion blur, ghosting. Your cat looks like a watercolor disaster, and the thermal efficiency, terrible. Churning tensor cores at full load fries the silicon. The phone throttles, performance tanks. You're not taking photos. You're running a background stress test. Enter the multi-lens trap. Ultra-wide, telephoto main, 3 sensors, 3 color science nightmares. The stitching algorithms panic at edges. Parallax errors, structural stress from cramming glass into millimeters. Marketing math says 3 lenses equals premium. Engineering says it equals compromise. You're paying extra for a hardware patch. The real issue isn't the count, it's the surface area. One large sensor changes the game. Bigger photodiodes, more photon capture, better dynamic range without the digital heavy lifting. Physics finally gets a seat at the table. Less processing means true optical excellence, sharp edges, natural bokeh. No AI smearing your grandmother's face into a mannequin. You want realism. You need glass and silicon, not a neural network guessing game. I know the comments are already brewing. But the telephoto, but the night mode, skill issue. You're defending weak design choices because the marketing videos look shiny. Optics don't lie. The future isn't more lenses, it's bigger sensors, better glass, less software crutch. One large lens, 0 compromises. The band-aid comes off. The truth finally focuses. Drop your stance below. Are you team computational patch or team optical purity? I'll read the chaos. Subscribe if you want tech that respects physics. We're done pretending 3 tiny sensors. Beat one honest one.